Hello everyone, this is Abdel from Nalanda district, Bihar. I came to know about upskill 1.5 years before. When I was in the fifth semester of my engineering college, I had the knowledge that engineering is not going to give me any job because the college was not very good and they were also not teaching me any new skill, and so I decided to learn some new skills. Back then I came to know about Arbab sir, then I added him on Facebook, and then I messaged him. Then I asked everything about upskill, the fee detail and everything, the course and everything. Then he said me every stuff, like fee detail and all the things he explained to me. Then at that time I was not having the money, but he added me in his group, and I was learning digital marketing using blogs and YouTube videos. So in this way, me and my friend, we started a news website using YouTube, and learning from YouTube, just to save the money to learn new skills, and that is digital marketing from Upskill. So in the beginning we were applying everything on the website, and on our own website, and luckily we started earning the money from the fourth month itself. And then it took another 6 months to save the money, and in this way I came to learn some stuffs. And then I called Arbab sir back, and then I said, okay, I have saved the money. And I started all the thing in my fifth semester, and it was almost the end of sixth semester. And I was working on my blog, news blog, and things were going well. Then coronavirus came, and I came back to home, and then I came to know about his online classes. Then I joined it. And because I was having the money at that time and the desire to learn also, then I joined this online class. And my experience was pretty well in this class, because I know Arbab sir from last 1.5 year, and I was continuously using his community to ask questions. And then before I was having little bit knowledge of earning from AdSense, but then I joined the course, and then I learned most of the stuff that I was not having the knowledge before. Like digital marketing is not only earning from AdSense, but it covers a huge ocean of knowledge. And I personally want to thank Arbab sir and all the tutors at Upskill. They are quite supportive, and they supported me a lot through the journey. And at the same time, Arbab sir, he was constantly pushing me to do all the assignments um, in Upskill classes, because I was little bit lazy and busy also in the home, and and at my home there was no internet connection at that time because Wi-Fi was not installed. But he was continuously pushing me. I really want to thank Arbab sir, and at the same time I get a lot of knowledge about digital marketing, branding and neuro marketing and storytelling. And the best thing that I learned there was storytelling, I can say, because it has helped me a lot. And in the future I want to gain some real industry experience in digital marketing, and I will do something of my own in this field only, because it has really helped me a lot. I can not explain how it has helped me. Like literally I was in college having no idea what to do in the future. Then I learned the skill, then I earned using AdSense, and then I did the course, and now I am here. And this journey of 1.5 year has really helped me a lot to change myself from a student to a blogger, and then in the future let's see what else. Thanks a lot.